everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 1st to the 5th of May 2023 on Monday. Kapsile is put to a difficult task, but there is no running from it. Siphamandla reaches out to his brother with the aim to make peace, but Wukulegani see the light. Mabusi is given a lifeline and she shares a tender moment with Siphamandla on Tuesday. Mamzobe and Kapsile hold their breath, wondering if their plan to eliminate an enemy will succeed or not. Kulegani makes an impossible rule for Nomkhosi regarding his family on Wednesday. Mthembu has Siphamandla's back from the other side, and it makes it known to Mamzobe. Nomkhosi takes matters into her own hands in dealing with Kulegani's issues with his brother on Thursday. Kulegani's rebellious nature makes him do something that has the whole family in shock and could bring about a case. Mamzobe realizes her nemesis is bigger than she thought. Mabusi rain bring a new dawn on Friday. Kulegani's actions are followed by heavy consequences. Sensitive news falls on the wrong ears. Mamzobe and she readies herself to strike again. Mapalala is tormented by a dream. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.